Picture a compact electric bike that quietly redefines what freedom feels like in the city. The DEEPOWER K306 is built for riders who want power, comfort, and flexibility without the bulk of a traditional e-bike. From the first ride, it feels agile and confident, perfectly suited for busy streets, short commutes, and spontaneous detours. At its heart, the K306 carries serious energy. Powered by a 48V battery available in 10Ah, 17.5Ah, or a massive 30Ah option, this small folding e-bike delivers an impressive range of up to 110 kilometers in pedal assist mode. That means fewer charging worries and more time enjoying the ride. Despite its compact size, the power delivery feels smooth and dependable, making daily commutes and longer urban rides feel effortless. Its foldable design adds another layer of freedom, allowing you to carry it easily, store it in tight spaces, or place it neatly in a car trunk when life demands mobility. Comfort is where the DEEPOWER K306 truly surprises. It features a multi-shock absorption system designed to handle uneven roads with ease. Every ride is supported by 4 layers of shock absorption working together, reducing vibration and impact from rough surfaces. Whether you're navigating cracked pavement, speed bumps, or longer rides across town, the bike stays composed, keeping fatigue to a minimum and comfort at a maximum. The riding experience feels smooth and controlled, even when the road isn't. The smart riding setup makes everyday use simple and intuitive. With 3 speed gears easily controlled from the handlebar, adjusting your pace feels natural and effortless. Bright LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility and confidence when riding at night, casting a wide and clear beam that keeps you aware of your surroundings. A built-in USB phone holder adds a modern touch, letting you keep your device charged and within reach for navigation or calls on the go. The frame itself reflects thoughtful design and durability. Constructed from carbon alloy material, it balances strength with lightness, offering excellent rigidity while remaining easy to handle. The seat is crafted with high-density sponge cushioning, providing a soft yet supportive feel that reduces pressure during longer rides. Both the seat post and handlebars are height adjustable, making the bike suitable for adults and teens alike. Folding the bike takes only moments, transforming it into a compact package ready for transport or storage. Rolling beneath it all are reinforced 14-inch tires designed for stability and safety. The thickened rubber construction offers strong grip, low noise, and excellent traction across different surfaces. Whether you're riding on smooth asphalt or slightly uneven paths, the tires maintain confidence and control, enhancing both comfort and safety. The DEEPOWER K306 isn't just a small electric bike. It's a smart solution for modern riders who value convenience without sacrificing performance. Compact, powerful, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed, it turns everyday travel into a smoother, simpler, and more enjoyable experience.